Hi, this is Karen Sullivan here, and I am going to do a short, 10-minute meditation session. I had some people comment after they had taken my meditation class that it was a little bit more difficult to get into at home on their own. And so I said, well, how about if I do a video and you can watch it over and over? So this will also be on my YouTube page. And in my class, I have music that I use, and I own the music and I have the rights to use it. However, Facebook and YouTube, the computerization doesn't see that at all. So I can't use the music at all. If you want to, you can add your own music at some points instead of listening to my voice drone on and on. But anyway, I'm not going to drone, but I'm going to give you a little bit for those of you who have not taken my meditation class. It's really just deep relaxation, just sort of stepping back from the world and the craziness around you. I talk about life being much like you're a spinning top, that the world around you is running, it's going crazy, and you can either step off the center of that top into the insanity, or you can be the center of the top where it is peaceful and it is still, and you can think and you can listen to your inner guidance. And so I am encouraging you to use these techniques that I'm going to share here today to help you to get out of the craziness of your own head. It's really what happens between our ears that it's a toughie to get away from. So what we're going to do is all kinds of meditation have the three components that are the same. It's all about breathing. It's all about relaxing the body. And each one has a focus, and it's a different focus. Well, I happen to have a cup of tea here, and here's the spoon that I used. So I'll use that for lack of anything else to do. So to show you. So when you find your focus object, have it be something that you're attached to, but that doesn't have a lot of history to it. So I give away at my workshops, I have a whole collection of different kinds of polished stones, and some are rough stones, and then shells and things that can fit in your pocket. And I have people that still to this day carry those focus objects with them to help them to just sort of be centered during the day, because life can be pretty nuts for us. And what you're going to do is just hold that, and it gives you something to touch and to focus on, to think about the spoon. And it has this unusual ridge down the center, and it feels your thumb fits into it nicely, and those sorts of things. Now, a lot of people say, well, I thought you're not supposed to think about anything. Well, I'm sorry, but the brain doesn't work that way. The brain has to have a job. The brain has to be doing something. And the brain is a busy thing. So you have to give your brain something. So there are several things, and I'm going to take you through that. One is going to be relaxation. The other thing I'm going to get the brain to do is to follow your breathing, and then the focus objects. During the focus objects, I am not going to talk. The meditation time will be about 10 minutes total. My intro seems to be just almost at about 5 minutes. So there you go. So 10 minutes is going to help you to be able to just relax and flow with, feeling a little bit better. And don't think about the craziness of life. Okay, so take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Okay, do it again. Deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Perfect. So my recommendation would be, rather than watching me, close your eyes, and I can't see you, and nobody else is going to see you. Turn your watch off, turn your clock off, turn your phone off, so that it's not going to blip. Nice, Breathe. Good. Now, let's start with our face and our jaw. Sometimes we clench our jaws. So let's put your tongue on the roof of your mouth and then push your jaw forward to get it to pull in here and stretch. Nice. Open your mouth as big as you can. Stretch out those joints in there. You might not realize you've been as tense as you are. Drop your head down so that your chin touches your chest. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale through your mouth. If your legs are crossed, uncross your legs. Drop your hands into your lap. Perfect. And we're breathing. Feeling the air go in your nose, and it's probably a little cold. Exhale through the mouth. Now check your shoulders and see if they feel tight. If they do, tip your head over from side to side gently, slowly. Follow your air. Deep breath in and exhale. Good. Nice. To the center, and then your head drop the other way. Breathing in and exhale. Very nice. Good. Roll your shoulders a little bit. Pinch the shoulder blades together. Drop your head. Get the neck and the shoulders to release. Very nice. Breathe in and exhale. Now check your body. Other places that might seem stiff. Adjust yourself on your seat and breathe. Notice how when you breathe in, the air is very cool through your nose. Now breathe out of your nose, and it's warmed from being in your lungs. Strong, deep, full breaths. Nice. Relax. So your focus object, take that and hold it in your hand. Notice as you rub it between your fingers, any contours, any rough edges. Smooth, rough. Is it cool to your touch or warm? Continue to do that while we sit in silence. take a very deep breath in and exhale and come back to the room with us. There you go. You did a 10-minute deep relaxation exercise here, guys. I started, watch the clock. We did a little bit of talking before we got started, and from the deep breathing exercises I gave you, the relaxation that I led you through, and then we did silence. And when you do that at home, if you do that for a while, guided this way with me, either here, Facebook, save this post, and then you'll be able to get back to it easily so that you can watch it, or you can watch it on my YouTube page. And I really would wish that you would subscribe. There's my mother. She calls all the time, doesn't she? So anyway, so thank you. I'm glad we were done meditating. And so if you have any other questions, please ask in the questions below. Thank you. I see that Valerie and Rebecca joined me today for this. And thanks. I appreciate your time, your energy, and I certainly hope that this helps you. Let me know if there's anything I can do for you. Take care.